Hello everyone, let's understand what is OpenID Connect client credentials grant type. In this grant type, client credentials are verified and an access token is generated. Unlike other grant types, a specific use is not associated, and this grant type is used for scenarios like machine to machine or application to application communication, where a user account is not necessary. I am going to demonstrate token generation using Postman application. First, I am going to create a client application and enable client credentials grant type. Now I am in Keycloak admin console. I visit the client section to create a new client. Click on create client button. Here I provide the client ID as client credentials test client. Click next. Here I enable client authentication. Once authentication is enabled, Keycloak generates a client secret for this client. We cannot make any token generation call to Keycloak via this client without using this client secret. Here I disable the standard flow, which is authorization code grant type, and I disable direct access grant type, which is user password grant type. And here I enable service account roles, which enables client credentials grant type. So that is the grant type we require for this scenario. Then I click save, and that's all I have to do here. We need to keep in mind that our client ID is client credentials test client. From the credentials tab, we can get the client secret. I can copy that value from here. In order to generate the access token, we need to call a special endpoint provided by Keycloak. In order to get that endpoint, I need to go to the realm settings section. Here I click OpenID endpoint configuration, and it shows all the necessary endpoints for different operations. And here I need this token endpoint, which is the one I am going to call with this client details. I copy that value. Now I go to the Postman application. Here I copy the token generation URL I just copied from the Keycloak server, and I change HTTP method to post. And here I go to the body section and select the type as form URL encoded. Here I need to provide 3 parameters, which are grant type, client secret, and client ID. Here I provide the grant type, which is client credentials. And here I provide the client ID, which is client credentials test client. And here I put the client secret. I copy the value from the credentials tab I showed you a few minutes back. I paste that value here. We are good to send this request to Keycloak server. Okay, now here I click send button. We got the token here. So here you can see multiple parameters as well. Type of this token is an access token, and which expires in 60 seconds. If you want to expand the lifetime of this token, you can do that by client and realm settings section. I believe now you have a better understanding about how to use client credentials grant type in Keycloak. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.